Are you ready? Okay. All right. So first of all, do you know what is today's topic? You can type it. In between, I would like children to be unmuted, but right now, do you know what is the topic for today, children? Any idea?
Sorry to interrupt you, ma'am. Just wanted to tell a few guidelines that we will not be able to mute the children in between, because right now there are few logins and there'll be many more. So they can use the chat box.
Chat box.
Yeah, and I would also request children not to raise their hand using the raise hand option, because it changes the placement of everyone on the screen. So while the story session is on, everybody just listen to the story very well. And if you have to ask anything, please use the chat box. And we will answer your questions. Okay?
Yeah, sure. Through chat box. Yeah.
Yes, yes. Yes. Is that okay with everybody? Give me a thumbs up. Vedita, Ahana. Yes. Thank you so much.
Ma'am, and it is very important. Please don't, children, please don't scribble on the screen. Yes. Can we do that?
Yeah. Yes. When we follow these rules, it's actually for more fun, right? All of us can have fun. Rules are not going to restrict us. We're going to have more fun, right? So I just wanted to know, do you know what is today's topic? Any idea? I'll give you a minute. If you can't think, then I will tell you the topic. Probably even the adults can type. I'll give a minute.
Shweta, ma'am, you can tell the topic. Health.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. So, topic is.
You've got muted.
Okay, it's health and fitness. All of you, get ready.
Yes, health and fitness. So when I say health and fitness, a lot of things come to your mind, right? Can you type one or two things that comes to your mind? When I say health, fitness, good life, or any one thing that can come to your mind, can you type it? Okay, probably, yeah. Okay, so one thing that definitely comes to my mind is, exercise. Can we have a fun start today? Can we start with an exercise, a fun exercise? Okay, yeah. Yes, welcome to a story session by Little Amigos in Silre. And you're going to have a fun start. Look, what's the next slide? Have you all done an animal yoga pose? Right? Have you all done it? So let's try. You can pick up any one of the pose from here, or you can do your own animal yoga pose. And then let's see if others can find out. Okay, let's see. Which one are you going to pick up? Let me pick up the kids' names. Anika, Anshika, Ahana, Vedita, Yuv. Which animal pose do you want to do? Yeah, healthy food. Yes. Yeah, which animal pose you want to do? Anika, do it. Ahana is doing, oh, I know what she's doing. I think she's doing butterfly. Okay, perfect. Anika, do you want to do any animal pose? Yuv, Priyanka?
Yes, Anshika and Ritika, do it. Vedita, come on, do any animal pose. Come on.
Any animal pose. You can do your own also. This is just for guidance.
Vedita, do any animal pose.
Hey, snake. Anshika is doing something. I think she's doing a snake. Is it snake, Anshika? Oh. Britika is also doing snake, I think. Hey, look at you. He's doing a frog, I think. Look at you.
Frog kar bada sa.
Hop, hop. Frog. You can go a little higher and do kangaroo. You want to do kangaroo? Wow, hop, hop. Perfect, at you. That's beautiful. What about very good, yeah. What about you, Priyanka? What are you doing? Which animal is that? You're still thinking. You're still thinking. Anika, what are you doing? Is it a dog pose? Oh, cow pose. I think I can see the resemblance between the cow pose and your pose. Wow. Who else is doing? Let's watch out.
Vedita is doing a flamingo pose.
Flamingo pose. And what is Abhisha and Aradhya? What are they doing?
Giraffe.
Oh, giraffe pose. Perfect. Yeah, kids really imitate well. Can we clap for yourself in the muted thing? That was excellent animal pose. Okay. What should I do? What should I do? What about me? Who am I? Good. So, yeah, exercise and good health, as somebody said, it's very important for healthy life and fitness. So we are going to listen to stories that help us understand that. Okay. Before that, which animal did you pose as? I tried to guess, but if I have not guessed it right, do you want to type it? If I've guessed it right, then let's go to the next part. Cow. Yes, perfect. Okay. Yes. Let's see. Any more kid doing any pose? So Viraj, Abhishay, Aradhya finished. I can't see. Yeah. Yeah, that would be good. Okay, that was a good start for fitness, right? You did yoga is exercise, actually fun, right? When you play, that's an exercise. When you do yoga, and you had so much fun now doing the animal pose. Okay, now we are going to listen to a story which will tell us how important it is. Okay, do you all have a favorite character, story character? Well, mine favorite story characters always would be Tom and Jerry. Okay, so today I'm going to tell you a story about the cute, popular cat and the mouse, Tom and Jerry. Okay, now let's find out what they are doing right now. Let's zoom in. This naughty Tom, you know what he's doing? He's watching TV, slouching on the couch, watching TV, having chips, and drinking Coke, yawning away to glory. He looks relaxed. I don't know. Do you think he's doing the right thing? He's been on the TV for hours now and having chips and Coke and watching TV, not going out, and he's been watching. I don't know. He looks relaxed, but I don't know if he's fit. And just then, who comes running to his house? You guessed it right. Jerry. Tom, how dare you? And Tom said, what happened, Jerry? What's your problem? Tom, I know you like milk. I like cheese. And you took away my cheese. You stole my cheese. Look at you. Watching TV for hours, popping chips and French fries and having Coke. Naturally, you can't think straight. You stole my cheese. How dare you? Tom said, hey, Jerry weakling, don't you talk like that to me. Don't you tease my pleasurable habits. They are really keeping me alive, you know. What do you know about fun? Always jumping about in dirty places. Can you stop talking and give me back my cheese, Tom? No, Jerry. That cheese was just a starter for my Christmas party. And in the match that's going to come, in the running race, I'm going to beat you and then eat you. Wow, what a Christmas that would be. Jerry said, don't get ahead of yourself, Tom. There is still a week left for the race, right? Bye, see you then, said Jerry and went away from Tom's house. And outside he thought, oh my God, Tom is bigger and is faster than me. How is he faster than me? I think he drinks milk. This Tom drinks a cup of milk every day. That must be making him strong. Okay, I have a big stand. I am going to drink a cup of milk daily. Let me check with Kathy the cow. Can we have Kathy the cow, sir, coming? And Jerry went running to Kathy the cow. This knock, knock. Kathy the cow, Kathy, holy cow, he called. And then cow came out. What happened, Jerry? What happened? Kathy the cow, you know what? I have a request. Can you please give me a cup of milk daily, daily this week? I want to beat Tom in the running race. I want healthy bones, you know. So I want to beat Tom in the running race. Can you give me a glass of milk daily this week? The cow said, ha ha ha. Oh, I would love you to win the race against Tom, Jerry. I can give you a cup of milk, but then I need a favor back. I want you to give me a carrot. So if you give me a glass of milk, if I give you a glass of milk, I want a carrot because I heard carrots are good for the eyesight and I want one every day. Jerry said, that shouldn't be a problem, Kathy the cow. The bunny the rabbit keeps collecting the carrots and has carrot one every day, and his eyesight is very good. So I'm going to meet him. I'll get one for you. Jerry ran and talked to Bunny the rabbit. Bunny, Bunny, come out. Bunny rabbit said, what is it, Jerry Mouse? And Jerry said, you know what? I want to beat Tom in the running race. For that, I need good eyesight, right? So I need one carrot from you and one for Kathy the cow. She wants one. Can you please give me 2 carrots every day, one for me, one for Kathy? And then cute little bunny said, I would like to give you, but I want you to win the race. I know, but you know, to watch your race, I also need energy, right? Yeah, I will give you carrot, provided you give me a banana every day. Is it a deal? Jerry said, that's a good deal. Okay, I know who collects bananas. The Martha the monkey, she collects bananas. She has one every day, and then she's so energetic. So I'm going to ask her. Wait. Okay, I'll go running. Jerry went to Martha the monkey's house and knocked the door. She opened. What happened, Jerry? And Jerry said, Martha, can you give me 2 bananas every day this week? I want to beat Tom. I want high energy to beat Tom in the running race coming this week. Can you just give me 2 bananas, one for me, one for Bunny Rabbit? Martha was very pleasant monkey. She said, good. You're trying to beat Ron in the running race? That's never happened. That's a good idea. I would love to give you a 2 bananas every day. But then I want something back, said Martha. And then she said, and then our Jerry said, what do you want, Martha? And then she said, you know what? I want a bunch of spinach. A bunch of spinach every day. If you give me a bunch of spinach, then I'll give you a banana, 2 bananas. You know what? You need a lot of strength. This bunch of greens gives you a lot of strength, and I need it. And then only I can come to your race. I want to watch the race, and I need strength to even watch your race. Jerry said, okay, I know who has it. You know what? Jumbo the elephant. Jumbo the elephant collects greens, and then he has so much strength. You're right. Greens give strength. So let me go ask Jumbo. So Jerry went to Jumbo's house. Jumbo. And Jumbo opened the door. What is it, Jerry? Jumbo, can you give me please 2 bunches of spinach greens? You know what? I want to beat Tom in the running race. And I heard spinach greens gives a lot of strength. I even watch cartoon Popeye. Popeye eats spinach and becomes very strong now. And you are also very strong. I heard greens give a lot of strength. Can you give me 2 bunches? I want one for me and one for Mata the monkey. She also wants one. And Jumbo is such a sweet animal. He said, of course, I would love you to beat Tom. Jerry has become very, very arrogant these days. He doesn't care. You need to win him in the race. Of course, I'll give you a bunch, in fact, 2 bunches of spinach. But then I need something back. I need an apple. I need an apple every day. Then I can give you 2 bunches of spinach greens back to you. Jerry said, okay, really? Apple. Okay, I know who has apple. Rosa the girl. She has apple every day, and she doesn't go to the doctor at all. And I find her super smart. You are right, Jumbo. You are right. Let me check with Rosa. Jerry went to Rosa's house. Rosa! He knocked her door. And then Rosa opened. What is it, Jerry? He said, Rosa, can you give me 2 apples? I want to beat this Tom in the running race. And you're so smart. I want to be smart. And I want to keep the doctor away. So I need to have apple every day. And then even Jumbo wants 1 apple. Can you give me 2 apples, Rosa? Then I can win the race. Rosa is a smart girl, she thought. Aha, that's nice to hear, Jerry, that you want to win Tom in the race. Good. Of course, I can give you apple. But one thing, Jerry, do you think just an apple will give you all the energy to win Tom in the race? No. No, you know what? I'm getting a glass of milk from Kathy the cow, and I'm getting carrot from Bunny the rabbit. I'm getting banana from Mata the monkey, and bunch of spinach from Jumbo the elephant, and then I'm asking you for an apple. I'm going to have all this good food this week. So I know that milk gives healthy bones, and banana gives energy, carrot gives good eyesight, spinach gives good strength, and apple keeps the doctor away and really makes us super smart. I know all this. Rosa, I'm going to have all this week. I'm sure. And then Rosa said, that's excellent. You got a good food lined up all for you, Jerry, but still, you need something more than good food to win the match. Children, do you want to guess? Or we can talk about it after the story. So Rosa said, Jerry, you need something more to win the match. What is it? Jerry said, exercise. Yeah, I'll do a lot of exercise, Rosa. You're right. I'll do a lot of exercise. And I will run and practice. I will do yoga, and I will do cycling. You're right. I will do all that. And Rosa said, something more is also required. Jerry said, what else do I require? Rosa said, take a lot of water. Your body needs a lot of water, and it keeps you hydrated and very supple. And also take good rest. Okay, all this is important to win the race, Jerry. Good food, exercise, good amount of water, and good rest. Do all this week. Come, I can practice with you. Come, let's start running practice right now. Jerry was so happy. Rosa, you're so good. Come, let's run and tell all the animals that they will get whatever they asked for, and they should also join me in the practice. Can I tell all the animals? Rosa said, of course. Come. Rosa and Jerry ran to the elephant, the monkey, the bunny rabbit, and the cow, and they told, you're all getting whatever you wanted. Can you all join me in the running practice? And they all joined, And Jerry practiced and practiced and ate good food and rested well and drank water. Lot of things he did that week. And then came the racing day. And then the race. On the racing day, on the starting line, Tom was there and Jerry was standing next to him. And Jerry looked all confident. Tom, howdy. I'm all set for the race. How about you? Tom looked, oh God, this Jerry looks very confident, super confident. Make them very, very fit. Oh my God, how did it happen? Anyway, I also relaxed, watched TV, had chips, and Chaz didn't do anything. My body is fully rested. I think I'm fully prepared for the race. And Jerry gave a look. And then Tom gave him a look. And Tom said, why are you so confident, Jerry, that I am going to win the match? What's the matter? Jerry said, secret, Tom. I won't tell that before the match is over. Secret. Okay, come, let's start the match. The referee is ready. And then the referee said, get, set, go. Pshoo. Tom ran, Jerry ran. And then Tom ran, Jerry ran. And then, now you tell me, take a guess, who would have won the match? I'm not going to tell you. Who would have won the match and why? Hannah. Who would have done won the match? Anshika, you can type.
Jerry.
Jerry, huh? How did you know?
Because Jerry worked on it healthy food.
Correct. Okay, anybody else? Anybody else thinks Tom won? Anybody else thinks Tom won the match?
Ma'am, ma'am, who is
Yeah?
Jerry? Tom is eating junk food like jumps and chips. And Jerry eats healthy food.
You guys are smart. Tom didn't know that. He thought by sleeping well and resting, his body is rested and he can win the race. But then, as you said, Jerry won the race because he exercised a lot. He drank a lot of water. He ate all the good food like milk and spinach and carrot and banana and apple. Yeah, look, Jerry had all the healthy food, fruits and vegetables, and he exercised a lot. And then he drank a lot of water. And he also rested. Like Tom, he didn't sit in one place and relax. He rested. Tom was just sleeping around and not moving, right? That's not good. You have to take rest also. Sleep early in the night, wake up early in the morning so that you're fit, body is well rested for the day. That's what Jerry did. As you said, Jerry did all this and won the race.
Ruchi wants to say something. Ruchi raised her hand. Ruchi, can you unmute? Shweta, can you help Ruchi unmute and switch on your camera, dear, so that we can see you?
Hello.
Hello, just switch on your camera, Ruchi. I have given you a prompt.
Where is it?
What you want to see?
My video.
What video? Oh, she wants her face to be spotlighted.
No.
Yeah, Ruchi, you wanted to say something. You had raised your hand. What was it? That's what I'm asking.
Excuse me, my name is Ananya.
Yeah, but your mama has signed as Ruchi, so I don't know that. That's why I've requested parents to please sign in with the name. The name showing on the screen is Ruchi. Okay. All right, Ananya. Now tell us, what is it you wanted to say? You put your hand up.
Why Jerry won the race is because that Tom was relaxing and not doing anything, just eating chips and watching TV and sleeping, but Jerry was exercising.
Ah, perfect. Perfect. Yeah, you got the point. You want to say something?
So please switch on your camera so that we can interact with you. It's very hard. Yes, you. Please tell.
टीचर हमको हेल्दी फूड खाना चाहिए और एक्सरसाइज करना चाहिए.
परफेक्ट, बिल्कुल ठीक, करेक्ट. एक्सरसाइज करना चाहिए और गुड फूड खाना चाहिए. राइट, राइट. Yes. Very well said. You guys must be already doing it, na? That's why you're so smart, answering so beautifully. Okay. Now, do you guys want to dance for some time? Dance? Because let's move it, move it. Have you heard the song? Move it, move it. Let's sing and dance. Have you heard the song? Move it, move it. Let's move it, move it. What is that song? Anybody? Okay, this is also a good song. Can you do it?
Wiggle your fingers, blink your eyes. Wiggle your fingers, blink, blink, blink. Move your hands side to side. Move your hands side to side. Shake your hands, 1, 2, 3. Shake your hands, shake with me. Come on and shake. Shake, 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 shake. Shake, 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 shake. Touch your ears, touch your nose. Touch your mouth and your chin below. Move your head all around. Move your head all around. Shake your hands, 1, 2, 3. Shake your hands, shake with me. Come on and shake. Shake, 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 shake. Shake, 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 shake. Pat your knees, pat, pat, pat. Pat your knees, pat, pat, pat. Move your shoulders up and down. Move your shoulders up and down. Shake your hands, 1, 2, 3. Shake your hands, shake with me. Come on and shake. Shake, 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 shake. Shake, 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 shake. Clap your hands, clap, clap, clap. Clap your hands, clap, clap, clap. Move your feet back and forth. Move your feet back and forth. Now shake your hands, 1, 2, 3. Shake your hands, shake with me. Come on and shake. Shake, 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 shake. Shake, 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 shake. Shake your hands, 1, 2, 3. Shake your hands, shake with me. Come on and shake. Shake, 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 shake. Shake, 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 shake.
Wow. Thank you, Patty Shukla. That was a good song, children.